Right, so Charlie bought his WLA in for engine oil leaks, and the front forks and the springs. We did a video on that.
Yep.
He then phoned me and said, I forgot to say, can you check the gearbox oil?
Okay.
No gearbox oil in it at all.
Right.
So I filled it up, came back the next day, and it was all over the floor.
Okay.
So basically what had happened, you have in this side here a nice oil seal. That's a nice tight fit. Yeah.
Okay.
So it won't leak oil. That's nicely in there. Has 40 rollers in it.
Yeah.
Like this.
Needle rollers. Yeah.
It's very hard to know in case you've dropped one, but we counted 39 when it came out.
Right.
So basically one of those, wherever it is, one of those fits in there, yeah?
Yep.
With your 40 needle rollers around it.
Yep.
Now that, when it was in the bike, was doing that. It was that worn out.
Okay.
Yeah?
Oh, blimey. What, from one needle roller missing?
Yeah.
That's the impact of one?
I would say so, yes. I can't think of, or it's just a seriously misaligned gearbox somewhere, but it doesn't feel like it is. Now you can see that lip there?
Yeah.
That's how much metal's worn away.
Bloody hell.
Yeah. Okay. So that's literally just chewed it to death. So that was the first issue. Obviously the original one of these we put back in, it's not actually too bad, so that's the bit that's worn.
Yeah.
I don't know, you remember when we had the starter gears and they were black and the bloke said they'd been case hardened wrong?
No.
Right on the back of your in there, do you remember the teeth bit?
Oh, yeah.
Where the black one that had busted?
Yeah.
Yeah? And said they're case hardened wrong. It wouldn't surprise me if that black piece has been case hardened wrong. Okay? Because that's a new one. We had one in stock.
Yeah.
So put a new one in. That's how worn it was. That there is the inside of the clutch drum. Has just smashed it.
Right.
Okay? So obviously that is making your main shaft so when that's in there, okay, you've got bearings this end. When that's in there, that is doing that badly, so it's making that shaft move like that because it's every time you put strain on the engine,
Yeah.
it's pulling it. Yeah. So in conjunction, when your counter shaft is in, it's your counter shaft cluster. When your shaft is in there, that has all needle rolls. All those needle rollers and spacers there go on either end of the shaft.
Yeah.
So it's forcing that shaft. That has worn that much out of it. Look, that is not a little bit.
It's unbelievable, isn't it?
And there, look.
Yeah.
So I had a second hand shaft which wasn't too bad, but it's actually bent, so we can't use that. So I phoned Charlie and said to him, look, we're going to have to get another counter shaft, which we've ordered.
Would you have noticed any of this when he's riding the bike?
Clearly not, I suppose, but it's...
What would you imagine he would have felt like?
I would imagine it made a freaking horrible noise.
What about clutch changing gear?
Yeah, I would have thought you'd have felt it get tight, the gearbox, because it's all bunching up.
It's all fighting.
That's your spacer that fits inside, see where it's burnt. And that, it doesn't look it, but that, God knows how much oversize it's doing that. Main shaft thrust gear, thrust washer, completely chewed up, big lips on it. Yeah. So that's the story on that one. as I say, the rest of the gearbox doesn't look too bad. It's just we've got to get the right bits to reassemble it. Clutch has been hitting there, the clutch, back of the clutch drum. So that was literally doing that, like big style, not a little bit, a lot.
Yeah.
So to get that actual clutch basket to go around and hit that, it's pretty knackered.
Yeah. You'd imagine it'd be making a bit of a noise as well, wouldn't you?
Yeah. Yeah, well, I rode it around the block and it was generator or gearbox noise, I don't know. But Charlie said he doesn't ride it hard or anything, but doesn't matter if it's worn out, it's worn out.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah, so just got to wait for bits to turn up and get that one back together. Mad, isn't it?